Want to let your website visitors contact you instantly on WhatsApp? Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to add a clickable WhatsApp chat icon to your WordPress website using a simple, free plugin. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, hover over Plugins and click Add Plugins. In the search bar at the top right, type in WhatsApp chat. You'll see a lot of options, but a great and popular one is called Click to Chat by HoliThemes. Click the Install Now button next to the plugin. After it installs, click the Activate button. Great! The plugin is now active. You will now see a Click to Chat item in your left-hand menu. Click on it to open the settings. The most important step is to enter your WhatsApp phone number right here in this box. Make sure to include your country code. You can also customize the button's position, the icon, and the welcome message. Once you're done, scroll down and click Save Changes. Now, visit your website and you will see the WhatsApp icon floating on the screen. When a user clicks it, it will open a chat directly with you. And that's how you can connect with your audience in just a few simple clicks. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more WordPress tips.